Hi! In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, access calendar. Now click on this plus icon at the top right corner and over here scroll down. Then click on starts and pick a date. You can also select starting hour and ending one over here. If you want to turn off this feature completely, click on the switcher next to all day, but I don't want to, so I will go over here and type my title. Then click on location and pick one of the available ones by typing wherever you want to and clicking on the chosen one. You can also take notes over here and do some other things. For example, when you click on repeat, you can select every day, every week, so on, or even custom. But I will go with never, so I have to click on this option over here and tap add at the top right corner of my new event pop-up. As you can see, my event was successfully created. But if you want to delete it, you can always tap on it and click on delete event over here. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete again. And now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!